Drones have evolved from simple remote-controlled aircraft to advanced AI-powered machines. Military drones now act as both scouts and attackers, but the real breakthrough is the loyal wingman concept. Imagine a fighter pilot leading a team of smart drones, all working together in real time. These drones aren't controlled from the ground, they're linked directly to the pilot's jet, responding instantly. The pilot becomes a commander, and the drones act as loyal partners, taking on the most dangerous tasks. With AI, these drones can scout ahead, jam enemy signals, or even engage threats, all while keeping the human pilot safe. If a drone is lost, it's just equipment, not a life. This changes the risk equation, letting air forces act more aggressively without endangering pilots. The loyal wingman is more than a drone, it's an extension of the pilot's will, able to make decisions and adapt on the fly. These teams of manned and unmanned aircraft are revolutionizing air combat. The pilot can send a drone to scout, attack, or draw enemy fire, all while staying out of harm's way. This teamwork means faster decisions and greater battlefield awareness. The loyal wingman concept is a leap forward in military technology, blending human judgment with machine speed. It's not just about protecting pilots, it's about multiplying their power in the sky. With these drones, air forces can take risks that were once unthinkable. The future of air combat is here, and it's a team effort between humans and machines. The loyal wingman is changing everything. Meet the FH-97, China's answer to the loyal wingman. This stealth drone is designed to fly alongside China's top fighter jets like the J-20. Its sharp, radar-absorbing shape makes it nearly invisible to enemy defenses. Packed with sensors and electronic warfare gear, the FH-97 can jam enemy radars and disrupt communications. Its internal weapons bay lets it strike without losing stealth. Using AI, the FH-97 coordinates with piloted jets and other drones, creating a powerful network in the sky. It can scout ahead, find targets, and relay information back to the pilot, without ever exposing the human to danger. The pilot gets a real-time, 360-degree view of the battlefield. The FH-97 can even act as a forward sensor, guiding missiles from the shadows. This makes China's air force faster, smarter, and deadlier. The FH-97 isn't just a drone, it's a force multiplier. It's a glimpse into the future of warfare. The world first saw the FH-97 during rehearsals for China's Victory Day parade. Its appearance signaled that China's loyal wingman was ready for action, not just a prototype. While other nations are still testing, China is fielding combat-ready AI drones. This public debut sent a clear message: China is leading in unmanned air combat. The FH-97's futuristic design captured global attention, moving advanced drones from secret projects to center stage. The era of AI-powered air combat is no longer science fiction, it's reality. Drones like the FH-97 are rewriting the rules of air warfare. One pilot can now command a squadron of robotic wingmen, overwhelming enemies with numbers and speed. AI drones can scout, jam, and attack from multiple directions, making traditional tactics obsolete. These drones are cheaper and more expendable than manned jets, allowing air forces to take greater risks. Future air battles will be about networks and teamwork, not just pilot skill. Manned jets will act as command centers while drones handle the most dangerous jobs. This mix of human and artificial intelligence creates a more powerful, flexible force. The FH-97 is proof that this future is already here. Air combat will never be the same. The sky is now a battlefield of man and machine. Advanced drones like the FH-97 are reshaping global military power. They let countries project force with less risk to human life, changing both strategy and politics. Showcasing these drones boosts national prestige and influences alliances. Drones can fly longer, maneuver harder, and perform missions humans can't. They're not just weapons, they're tools of diplomacy and deterrence. As this technology spreads, it will shift the balance of power worldwide. Understanding drones is key to understanding modern warfare. The era of the drone has arrived and it's transforming our world.